Earth, a miraculous oasis in the vastness of space. For 4.5 billion years, it has nurtured life, evolving into a delicate balance of ecosystems that support billions of species, including us. But today, this balance is tipping fast. Earth is a masterpiece of resilience and balance. Its beauty is matched only by its fragility. For millennia, it has provided all that we need: air to breathe, water to drink, food to sustain us, and a climate to thrive. But now, that balance is unraveling. 71% of Earth's surface is covered in water, earning it the nickname the Blue Planet. Oceans regulate climate, absorb carbon dioxide, and provide a habitat for countless species. They connect continents, drive weather patterns, and play a crucial role in the water cycle. Earth's jungles are among the most vibrant and essential ecosystems on the planet. These dense, lush forests cover approximately 6% of Earth's surface, but are home to more than 50% of all terrestrial species. They stretch across tropical regions in South America, Africa, Asia, and Oceania, providing a critical refuge for animals, plants, and indigenous cultures. To understand climate change, we must start with the science. The Earth's climate is driven by the greenhouse effect, a natural process where gases in the atmosphere trap heat, keeping our planet warm enough for life. But since the Industrial Revolution, human activities have amplified this process. Burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas releases billions of tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere every year. Deforestation, industrial agriculture, and waste add methane and nitrous oxide, greenhouse gases far more potent than CO2. The result? A planet that is heating up at an unprecedented rate. Climate change isn't a distant threat, it's already here. Every corner of the globe is feeling its effects, though not equally. Vulnerable communities in developing nations are facing the brunt of the crisis, despite contributing the least to global emissions.
We used to rely on predictable seasons, but now the rains don't come. My crops are dying, and I can't feed my family.
But it's not just farmers. Cities are experiencing record-breaking heat waves, coastal communities are fighting rising seas, and wildlife is vanishing as habitats disappear. Who is to blame? The answer is complex. Governments, corporations, and individuals all share responsibility. But let's not ignore the numbers. Just 100 companies are responsible for 71% of global emissions since 1988. Their pursuit of profit has come at a devastating cost. Governments, too, have failed to act decisively. Policies are often delayed, watered down, or ignored altogether. And we, as individuals, contribute through our energy consumption, travel, and waste. The cost of inaction is unimaginable. By 2100, sea levels could rise by over a meter, displacing hundreds of millions. Entire regions could become uninhabitable due to extreme heat. Crop failures could lead to widespread famine, and mass migrations could destabilize nations. The question isn't whether we can afford to act, it's whether we can afford not to. There is still hope. Renewable energy technologies are advancing, offering cleaner alternatives to fossil fuels. Reforestation projects are restoring carbon-absorbing forests, and innovative farming practices are reducing emissions. But this requires systemic change. Governments must commit to net zero targets, enforce strict regulations on polluters, and invest in green infrastructure. Corporations must prioritize sustainability over profit, and we, as individuals, can make choices that matter, reduce waste, use renewable energy, and demand change. Some suggest humanity should look to the stars for survival. While space exploration excites our imagination, no planet will offer what Earth does: air, water, biodiversity, and a connection to life. Leaving Earth isn't the solution, saving it is. The future of our planet depends on us. This is our home, and it's worth fighting for. Together, we can write a new chapter, a chapter of hope, restoration, and survival.